Hello guys, and welcome to this course. My name is Raphael and I'm going to be your guide throughout this course. So in this course we will learn about Firebase authentication. We're going to use Firebase package, Firebase UI Auth. Okay, so this is a comprehensive package, a strong package that integrates all the authentication system that we need in our Flutter applications. Okay, so we are going to use this package, dive deep into details, and then see how it works and integrate our Flutter application with this. Okay, we'll learn all the methods of authentication and then also customization of the screens, as you can see here. Okay, this is a strong package that is secure and also easy to use. Okay, so in your future application, once you learn this course, we will be able to log in with email, log in with phone, log in with Google, log in with Apple and Facebook. Okay, once you complete this course, you will just be concentrating in creating your application while the authentication system will be sorted out with this package. Okay, we're going to dive deep into this package and then you will see how easy it is to implement and then how we can also customize all of this. Okay, so let me just show you a quick demonstration about what to learn in the end. Okay, so first let's start by email signing. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to register with the account. Okay, so let's click on register. And then here we need to enter our email. Let me quickly do that. So I need to create the password. Let's also confirm this password. And then once we enter the data, we need to register here. All right. So once we register, it's gonna ask us just to save the credentials. We don't want to save for now. Let's click never. Now once you're registered, you saw that there was a dialog which shows that we need to sign in. Now we need to sign in with our newly created account, so I'm gonna enter that same email and I'm just gonna enter the password. Then we're gonna go ahead and sign in. Okay, so now once we sign in, it takes us to the email verification, which we need to verify our email. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly go to my inbox because this automatically sends the email verification to your inbox. Okay, so let's quickly open the inbox. So in my inbox here, I've got this new verification email. Now my email is verified. We should be able to navigate to the profile screen. Okay, great. So in our profile screen here, you can see we can add the name, and then I will also show you guys how we can add this customizable avatar where you can change your image. You can also update this data in Firestore. Okay, so here you can see the sign-in method that we have used and the other sign-in methods that can also be enabled. So here also in the profile screen, I will show you guys how we can add other options like other items down here, like the list of settings and all that stuff, where maybe you can change your theme and any other settings. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you, we can just click here and select an image either from camera or gallery. You can pick the gallery, and then for example I'm gonna select this one, right? Then I'm gonna save it. You can see I will show you also how to implement all that crop activity. Once we select that, we can give it a name. Maybe let's try Eva. So once we give it we enter the name here, and then once we click here, this data will be saved to Firestore and our user will be successful. The user registration will be complete. Okay, so let's go on ahead and save and see what happens. All right, so what's happening now is data is getting saved to Firestore and the new user is getting created. Okay, so as you can see now that we have successfully created a user named Eva. Okay, we can go back to the profile screen and edit whatever. We can edit the image, we can edit the name, and then we can continue with our application. So with this is how we sign in with our email. If I can show you, if we hot restart now, the application won't start again through the sign in. It will just check that we have the user, and then it will take us to the home screen. Okay, so with that, we have added the email sign in, and then we'll also add all these other authentication system in a step-by-step manner. So if we come here, for example, I can show you also how we can add the phone authentication, and maybe let me this time show you how we sign in with Google, because when you sign in with a social account like Google, Apple or Facebook, you won't need to enter your profile details. This will only be required if you want to change the name or change the image. Otherwise, these details, the image and the name, will come from your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. So for example, let's try to log out. So if we sign out here, we are back in the home screen. Now we can try to create another user with either of these. Okay, so if you want to sign in with phone, you can just simply come here and then add the details here, and then you will create the account with phone. If you want to maybe forgotten the password of your email, you can just come here, you can change the password. All of these screens are already configured, guys. You will learn a step-by-step of how to do all of these. Okay, so in this case, maybe let's try the Google sign in. Let's click here. This is going to show up here for our Google account, or we can add the new one. And then once we just select our Google account, it's going to load, and then after it's loading, it's going to save the data to Firestore. And then with that, you can see that we have already created the account with Firebase. So because it's a Google account, like I said, there's no need to go to the profile to add the data. But if you want to change, like maybe this is the Google account name, Open Market, you can still go to the settings, and then you can change the image from here. Or if you want, you can see that here it shows that you have logged in with Google, and then there's other provider. All right, so this is what we're going to learn, guys. We'll implement all these login screens. We'll go through all the the security functions that you need to do. You will see how we can implement this, and then once you complete this course, you won't worry about authentication anymore. You will only be concentrating in your Flutter applications that you'll be creating. Okay, so you will do this course only once, and then you can be adding this authentication system to all your Flutter project, because it's the same strong package for Firebase that you can just implement once, and then you concentrate on the most important part of your application. So yeah, that's going to be the short demo, and I've just shown you a few things, guys. Throughout this course, we will learn how we can dive deep into this. Okay, so let's get started and enjoy this coding journey.